Good morning, everybody. It's the 7th of February 2023, Tuesday morning, and here we're looking at the S&P 500. I did not do analysis yesterday as I was climbing a volcano here in Guatemala. So I'm going to quickly look at yesterday and today. I haven't planned anything at all, so I just want to show you how I'm thinking in the moment. And first of all, let's just take a look at the news today and see what's happening. We've got news at 12:40 p.m. It's been pushed forward half an hour. Pushed back half an hour. And that's the Federal Reserve Chair, Jerome Powell, speaking regarding monetary policy. Again, we expect volatility during his speeches as traders attempt to decipher interest rate clues. Okay, so that's coming out at 12:40 p.m. So just be wary of that. Make sure your trades are off. Make sure your trades are off and just be aware of that occurring at that time and give it 15 minutes to absorb into the market afterwards. Then we have FOMC member William speaking tomorrow at 9:15, another high impact news release. And we have University of Michigan consumer sentiment at 10 a.m. on Friday. Nothing too big. Prices seems to be mean reverting at the moment, so it should be a good week of trading. Here on the S&P 500, we see that we did reach into 4,200 there as planned, and it's pulling back now to 4,100. Okay, what do we expect to see here? The way that the candles look, the way that it's pulling back without any ferocity, I'd expect it probably to bounce back off 4,100 and maybe go for 43. That's kind of what we're looking at the moment, unless we see again like a big bearish candle. Okay, I need to see a bearish candle like we're looking at over here to the left for my sentiment to change. But there just isn't much volatility at the moment. You know, it's bunched up. There's not too much going on, and it's actually quite good for what we're doing. So until we get that, strong directional move, nothing too much to think about in regards to direction. It is bullish. Trade long and short, but nothing too crazy that can sort of blow our strategy is evident at the moment in regards to high directional volatility. Okay, see, cramping up here. I thought we were going to get a strong move last week with NFP and FOMC, but nothing happened there. No direction happened, and we just got this tiny kind of, this bunching up of price here. It's indecision, essentially. Yesterday, nothing too much happened. It's at this demand zone here at 33,500 is holding. Okay, and just put that there. 33,500 demand. It's holding quite well, and I dare say I'd see it bounce off 33,500, and then push back to the upside. But we're not in any directional move at the moment. Price is mean reverting. Okay, the mean is here with the alert is 33,500, and it's reverting around that mean at the moment. So that's daily, and here we move down to the 4 hour now in the US30, and we can see that coming out of that little channel we had, that little uptrend on the 4 hour, and now price is dripping back down to demand at 33,500. Okay, what's the significance here? What am I looking for? I mean, I'd definitely be buying around 33,500. Buy and sell the bands. Buy the blue bands, sell the red bands. Okay, it's the trades there, and you can probably take multiple trades at the moment each day. So this is good conditions for us. There's no strong directional move. There's no volatility in the market. It's quiet. It's mean reverting. With this, the price may not actually reach the outer bands on river wide, but if they come close to, just get ready to put some trades in around that area. At the moment, what am I looking at? Sort of the ceiling. I'm looking at this demand and the supply of 34,500. So that's kind of the area that we're working at the moment, even a bit lower to be honest. But this is the general area we're looking at, but in between here until we get a directional push. But enjoying the mean reversion while it's there. Okay, that kind of action at the moment. Move down to the 1 hour. Okay, just slowly dripping out of this channel. Okay, we have. Let's get our demand correct here. Right now, that's the area of demand that's of interest. I'm gonna put the 1 hour alert there. 34,650. Okay, 33,650. And again, there's just nothing strong in terms of direction at the moment. Could price drip down to demand at 33,350, 33,400. Yes. Okay. Maybe down here there's an option. Nothing crazy though. Okay, we'll see what happens when the news comes out at 12:40. But yeah, nothing. Oh, I've already got that. Okay, let's delete that there. Tight in here at the moment. Okay. Put another alert in here. Just name that alert demand. Okay, so just directionless at the moment. Neutral, mean reverting. 1 minute. Yeah, let's look at yesterday's trades. Monday. Okay, index open. Here comes back down. Could have shorted again. Back up at supply. Okay, and then obviously it held the median, pushed back up. Some of you might not have traded. Some of you might have shorted this area here. That's what I would see as being good trades yesterday, this kind of thing. So if you did that, good for you. You're on the right path. Okay. And obviously looking for something down here. This would have been the area that I would be looking at for a buy. Should have a buy presented itself. This kind of thing here. Okay. I'm not really a directional bias at the moment, even though it's bullish on the higher time frame charts. Like, it's neutral at the moment. Okay, so there's no direction at all that I feel now. Okay, look at what we're doing here. This is live coming into the open. 9:18 a.m. Price is going to come down here, probably. Okay, which is 33,625 into this area here. Okay, probably going to overshoot into that a little bit, and then bounce out. Okay. Definitely something nice there to be traded. Yeah. Okay. So that's coming to the open. Love to see some volatility this morning. Let's have a look here. Supply zone. That's our supply, and then obviously area of interest for shorts up here. It's coming to quite a steep fall at the moment though. Okay. Which most likely will turn around at the index open. It'll probably shoot down a little further, then bounce back out, come back up to this area. So that's what I'm looking at out of interest. I'm probably going to put some shorts on, some longs on here. Okay. I'm not afraid of price collapsing down this morning. And if it does move past this area of demand, then I'll tend to that afterwards in the right manner. So that is this morning what I'm looking at. I'm about to get on a plane and head back to Tulum. I'm back in the office tomorrow, and it's all systems go. So I hope you've had a great start to the week, and I'll speak to you guys tomorrow and be contactable. Thanks a lot. Cheers.